G'day folks, it's Antonio from Antonio Travels, and in this episode we're going to be reviewing the KickAss Quickfire portable 600 watt electric barbecue. Now it's 600 watts of draw power, 750 on startup, so if you've got an inverter, anything over 750 you'll be able to run this, and of course if you're plugged in into a powered site you'll be able to run this no problems. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. Alright, so the first thing you're going to notice, which is really amazing, is how light this thing is. It only weighs about 1.8 kilos, so less than 2 kilos. Alright, let's open her up. So it comes with this handy bag, which you can store everything in, which is absolutely awesome. Alright, let's move this out of the way. And let's see what's in the bag. That's quite a good quality bag. Alright, here we go. This is the actual hot plate. Open it up. Alright, so that's the hot plate. Now the hot plate is food grade ceramic, non-stick, so you don't get any of those nasties that you might get from Teflon, and it's quite light. Alright, that's that. Alright, and then in here we have the legs. So this is one of the legs, so this is the one with the connectors there. And these are magnetic, so they just clip in. And it's clipped in. And then we'll grab the other one. That there, and that clips in. There you go. So it's ready to go. So now we just need to plug it in and fire it up. Now it does say it will reach 240 degrees in 2 minutes. Alright, so I've now got power to the unit. As you can see, the light is flashing. Alright, now simply turn it on. Alright, you can see it's gone to 240. You can adjust this. Alright, so the difference is, instead of having just numbers, it actually has the degrees there. Alright, so I've set the timer now, and already I can feel that's getting hot. Alright, we are at the 2 minute mark, and it was beeping to tell us it's got the temperature, and that is really hot. Alright, so we're going to chuck some steaks and some sausages on here and see how we go. Alright, so that's stopped flashing now, so it means it's at 240 degrees, and that'll now throttle back to 600 watts instead of the 750 while it was getting up to temperature. Alright, and the other thing too is I forgot to mention, if you leave this on, it will shut off after 1 hour, so it's not going to flatten your battery. Alright, let's chuck some of these on. Whoa, listen to that. Alright, and you can see, look at that. It is absolutely, there is no sticking on this. How's that? That's coming along really nice. You can hear that sizzle. Alright, I think these are done. Time to get them off the hot plate. Look at that. Pretty cool. Alright, we'll turn this off, let it cool down. Alright, so I've let that cool down, and we're just going to give it a quick little wipe down just to show you how easy it is to clean. Look at that. All that burnt off just comes off really easily. So it's really, look at that, it just comes off just with a wipe. So you can clean that down really easily. and that is now ready to go back in its bag. Alright, time to put it back in its bag. Remember, these are magnetic, so we just click those off, stick it back in the bag. This one slides in there, this one slides into that one, and cord goes in the middle, and we zip it up, and just like that it's done. So how good is that? These are absolutely fantastic, easy to cook with, 600 watts. And if you're after one of these, QR codes on the screen now, or click the link in the description. If you like this video, make sure you check out our next one.